What do you think there, Mr. Jaden? Right. Get you. Right. Check you out. You got the leathers on. You're ready to ride. What is that? Oh, Harley Davidson action. Look at you go. Oh, sorry, sorry. Hey, angry face. Yeah? You ready to get your motor running? Head out on the highway? Hmm? Okay, we don't have to.